Hello, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's talk horseback on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So raise your hand if you don't like horseback. I know, I love horseback. It is weird, it is hard, it is not easy. And by the way, if you don't like something, it means you need to do it twice because we don't like the things that we need. So that is why I put my hand behind my back, because I don't want to have to do it twice because I know it's hard for me. You'll want 1 to 3 pound, 1 or 2 pound weight. Sorry, nothing more than 3 pounds. I am doing this as part of our OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcard series. And the goal is that you can actually see how this exercise can be broken out and then helped as homework for things like teaser, or of course horseback on the reformer, but also your spine stretch forward. All right, so horseback is one of those exercises that you're probably not going to get really easily. It's always going to be a challenge, but it's also one of those ones where like the arms are doing something, but don't forget about the legs. Okay, so you'll mount your ladder barrel and you'll start with flex feet, and you want your legs parallel. And because a lot of people do it turned out, make sure your legs are parallel, weights in your pockets. Then you'll squeeze the barrel so much, you point the toes, and someday I'll squeeze it so much that my butt even might levitate. And then I reach those arms forward, I do 3 circles, flex the feet, and rest. And again, point, squeeze, big circles 3 times. We're looking for the longest round shape over the lift of the booty, okay? And so the more I can focus on my legs working, the more this is going to benefit me on the reformer, because too often people lift the hips and drop the legs. And you want to keep those legs up. And it's really, really amazing for you. I promise you, it's really one of the best. And if you have the OPC one-to-chair flashcards, the chairs flashcards, you'll know that the horseback on the one-to-chair is my favorite. This is hard. So you learn it here, get yourself on the reformer, get those springs in your body, and I think you'll like it even more, but work the legs. If you have questions about this, put it in the comments below. Thank you so much.